Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eunice and today we are going to make a video on how to make sandwiches at home. Hope you enjoy. And for those who have subscribed, who like my videos, who watch my videos and comment, thank you very much and God bless you. Let's start. The ingredients that we'll be using are beef brawn, butter, mozzarella cheese, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, and slices of bread. Welcome. We start by cutting the onion in small rings. Next, we are going to warm our butter. Remember, it stays in the fridge, so it is a little bit hard. So we will warm it so that we can use to spread the bread and grate. At the same time, I'm going to grate the mozzarella cheese. Now our ingredients are ready: onions, tomatoes, cheese, brown. Now we're going to apply the butter to the bread. Unfortunately, we warmed the butter too much, but all is well, we'll still use it. So for this bread, we are going to apply the butter on this side and this side on each slices. Then we will now put our ingredients. So this is how it looks. We'll put it aside, take another one, do the same, spread butter on both sides. This is an easy recipe that you can prepare at home for your family to take as a snack or during breakfast. So our bread is all buttered on both sides. So what we'll do, I'll place the bread here. Once I place there, I take my slice of onion like that. Then I take a slice of tomato like that. I take my brawn, I put it on top. Another slice of tomato, another slice of onion, sprinkle some cheese. Cheese you put as the quantity you require. Then you cover. Remember, the bread is buttered on both sides. You cover. Okay? This is the sandwich maker we will be using today. So I've powered it on. It's hot. So I'll take my bread, put it here. The other one, I put it there. Remember, it's okay not to apply oil on the toaster, because remember the bread is already with the butter on top. Then you close. Take it slow until you lock the sandwich maker. And in 2 minutes, our sandwich is ready. See how yummy it looks? Very nice, still soft. We'll put the other one also. Our sandwich is ready now. See how it looks? Very nice and well done.